Welcome back to English Grammar Part 38. In this video clipping, we are going to learn about comparison of adjectives. Okay, as we know that adjectives are used to describe the noun, right? So here we are going to learn comparison of adjectives. This comparison of adjectives, okay, are used to compare person, place, or things or ideas. Okay, let us know more about it in this clip. Comparison of adjectives. Okay, so these adjectives has 3 degrees of comparison. Let us have look over, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, so yes, comparison of adjectives we are learning now. This is used to compare person, place, or things or ideas. These adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, and superlative degree of comparison. Let us know now when these are used. Okay, in which situation we have to use. So this positive degree, it is used to describe person, object, or we can say group. Okay, we are using this positive degree of comparison. And when to use comparative degree of comparison? So this is used to compare 2 nouns. Okay, to compare 2 nouns we are using. Then now for example, if in case, okay, the adjective is short adjective, then the suffix er is to be added. So what is to be added if the short adjective is there? Short adjective in the sense 1 or 2 syllable it will be having. Just it will be having 1 or 2 syllable. Okay, so suffix er is to be added. In case if you have long adjective, then more is to be added. More is to be added. So when it is to be added, if it has 2 or more syllable. So let me just tell you once again here. Comparative degree of comparison is used to compare 2 nouns. Okay, if the word has a short adjective, then suffix er is to be added if it is of 1 or 2 syllable. Okay, in case if the adjective is long with 2 or more syllable, then more is to be added before that adjective. Okay, so before adjective, more is to be added. Fine. Then what about the superlative degree? Let me just write that also. Superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 nouns. Okay, to compare more than 2 nouns. Then here when we are talking about superlative degree of comparison, if we get short adjective, okay, short adjective, suffix est is to be added. Short means again same, one or two syllable it will be having. In case if we get long adjective with two or more syllable, then what we have to do? Most is to be added before adjective. Okay, so more here is to be added when you are just comparing only two nouns. Most is to be added when you are comparing more than two nouns. Okay, let us have just have an example now. For example, it is useful exercise. Okay, so here you can just see this is adjective. It is telling something about or describing about this exercise. Okay, so now we can say that this is just a positive degree of comparison. Now next another one example I will take. She is smart. So this smart is again adjective. Okay, positive degree of comparison. Fine. Here this is also positive degree of comparison. This is also positive degree of comparison. Let us have a look over now. Comparative degree of comparison. Okay. So what we have to do with this word now? If the word is having what we can say long adjective, what is to be added here? More is to be added. More useful. See the change, right? So when it was in just a positive degree, I have written useful, but when it has gone to comparative degree, so I can say that it is a more useful exercise than that exercise. Okay, so I am comparing one exercise with another exercise. Now for example this word, okay, smart, which is a short adjective. So what is to be done for short adjective? Er is to be added. Okay, smarter. She is smarter than her. So here I am using er. Okay, suffix I have added er because I am comparing one with another. Fine. Now let us have a look over this now. So this comparative degree you can just see this is short adjective and this is long adjective. Now let us have a look over this one. What we have just told here, more than two nouns, right? So what should I do here? This as it is long adjective. So what should be added here? Most. Most useful. Okay. Next, for this smarter, now what is to be done? est is to be added. See here, right? Suffix est is to be added for the short adjective. So I'll write now smartest. Clear? Fine. So smart has changed to smarter when we have written in a comparative degree of adjective. Okay, smartest we have written when we are talking about the superlative degree of comparison. I hope the difference is also clear and meaning also clear. So let me tell you, using double comparative is incorrect form of expression in English. For example, smart over is there. Okay, so I cannot write here smarter, comparison is there. So more smarter, more smarter. No, it is incorrect because already it has changed the form. Okay, it has changed the form from positive degree to comparative degree. Then I should not add this more again. Already I have changed, right? So this is incorrect phrase I can say. So smarter, only single comparative has to be used to express. Let's have a look over here now. positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, superlative degree of comparison with short adjectives. Okay, one or two syllable. Let us have a look over now. Big, bigger, biggest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Dark, darker, darkest. Early, earlier, earliest. Hard, harder, hardest. Old, older, oldest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Small, smaller, smallest. Soft, softer, softest. So all these we can have a look over. They are short adjectives with one or two syllables. Okay, now let us have examples of those which are long adjectives with two or more than two syllables. Here are comparison of adjectives with two or more syllables. Okay, so positive degree of comparison, let us have a look over comparative as well as superlative. Okay, famous, it is written as more famous, most famous. Okay, we cannot add er or est as suffix over here because they are long adjectives. Okay, with two or more syllables. All these. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Important, more important, most important. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Proper, more proper, most proper. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Adventurous, more adventurous, most adventurous. Precious, more precious, most precious. This is how it works with two or more syllable words like long adjectives. Okay, there are some adjectives, okay, which are compared irregularly. Okay, for example, till now what we have said that er is to be added, est is to be added for what one or two syllable words. Okay, for example, short adjectives, whereas more is to be added or most is to be added for long adjectives or two or more syllable words. Whereas there are some words which are used to compare irregularly. Okay, for example, let us have a look over few examples those. And these comparative form as well as superlative forms are not formed by using this positive form. Okay, let's have a look over. Good, better, best, completely different, right? They're smart, smarter, smartest, right? We used to get comparative as well as superlative degrees from positive form, right? So here you can see bad, worse, worst, right? Entirely different. Old, elder, eldest. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Ill, worse, worst. Well, better, best. So this is how there are some words which are used to compare irregularly. Hope the concept of comparison of adjective is clear. Let us have a look over comparison of adjectives in sentences. Okay, let me read out the first sentence. My house is bigger than yours. You can just have a look over this word. Okay, as it is comparative degree. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Arctic Ocean. Deeper is the again comparative degree. You are more polite than sporty. So this is also comparative degree example. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Superlative degree. I am the shortest person in the family. Okay, in my family. So this is again superlative degree. Okay. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So this highest is again the superlative degree. I hope the concept of comparison of adjective is clear now. Let me end up this video clipping also with tongue twister. Let's have a look over today's tongue twister. What's it? Specific, specific. Short and sweet tongue twister it is. Several times you just repeat it and practice it and enjoy it. Okay, shall we begin? Specific, 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 specific. Hope you'll enjoy it.